Good afternoon, everybody. I am Firdaus Ahmed, Assistant Professor of Physiology. Now I am going to discuss about comparison of oxygen binding by myoglobin and hemoglobin. Everyone knows that myoglobin and hemoglobin both can hold oxygen, but their reaction kinetics is not similar. Why? If you follow the structure of hemoglobin, so everyone knows that hemoglobin is consist of 4 heme and 4 globin. Only 4 heme molecule can carry 4 molecule of oxygen. Globin cannot do it. So from these studies, we can conclude that 1 molecule of hemoglobin can carry maximum 4 molecule of oxygen. If you follow this diagram, so there are 4 molecule of heme. So 4 molecule of heme can carry maximum 4 molecule of oxygen. But oxyhemoglobin compound formation depend on partial pressure of oxygen and another factors. I will discuss it later. First, if we follow the partial pressure of oxygen versus oxyhemoglobin compound formation. So with change of oxygen pressure, just progressively increase. So first, 1 molecule of heme is appropriate for carrying 1 molecule of oxygen. When pressure is increased progressively, then 2 molecule of heme is fit for carrying oxygen, 2 molecule of oxygen. Another 3 molecule of oxygen and another 4 molecule of oxygen. So from this diagram, we can conclude that in different partial pressure of oxygen, rate of oxyhemoglobin formation is not same. So rate of reaction in different oxygen pressure in blood so different. And that's why if we draw a graphical presentation and x-axis presented oxygen pressure and x-axis represent oxygen pressure and y-axis represent oxyhemoglobin formation or oxygen with myoglobin compound formation. So from this diagram we can conclude that just 0 to 20 pressure, so change of 0 to 20, the rate of kinetics is shown in this graph. Another way, if we change the pressure, so ultimately the rate of reaction is increased progressively and at that time the rate of reaction is maximum. So from this diagram we can conclude that this diagram just like logistic curve as well as sigmoid curve. Why this is sigmoid curve? As the rate of reaction at different partial pressure of oxygen is different, that's why this curve is sigmoid, and this is due to opening of oxygen binding site on heme, as there are 4 number of heme molecule in a globulin. That's why the rate of reaction is different in different pressure of oxygen. But if you study the structure of myoglobin, so there are only one polypeptide chain and only one heme group. That's why myoglobin maximally carry 1 molecule of oxygen. So if you follow this diagram, when the oxygen pressure is increased progressively, the rate of reaction is increased progressively. That means saturation of myoglobin molecules is saturated equally, and at that point maximum number of myoglobin molecules are saturated. Okay, so this myoglobin does not show sigmoid curve due to maximum one binding site in one molecule of myoglobin. So this curve is similar to allosteric enzyme. Allosteric enzyme has more than one substrate binding site. So we can conclude that myoglobin and hemoglobin do not show similar reaction kinetics due to their peculiar structure. So this is just a curve. From this curve we can conclude that if this curve is shifted to right side, so it is concluded that more pressure is needed to saturate all molecule of hemoglobin. So if the curve is shifted to right side, it can conclude that hemoglobin has less affinity to oxygen. This is due to 2,3-DPG, high temperature, low pH, etc. So in case of low pH, 2,3-DPG, high temperature, that causes hemoglobin losses its attraction or affinity to oxygen. But if this curve is shifted to left side, it indicates that low pressure hemoglobin is saturated 100% than before. And these types of curve ultimately indicate that these types of hemoglobin has much more affinity towards hemoglobin, towards oxygen. So within lung, curve is shifted to the left side, and within tissue, curve is shifted to the right side. That's why within tissue, hemoglobin loses its oxygen and tissue gets oxygen for its function. Another way, within lung, hemoglobin has highest affinity towards oxygen. So hemoglobin can pick up all oxygen from the lung due to here high pH, temperature low, 2,3-DPG is less. That's why this curve is shifted to left. So every candidate please follow this diagram, and I'm sure everyone can make a clear concept from my lecture. So thank you everyone. Thank you.